सुप्रभात दोस्तों, मेरा नाम क्रीमी वाला है और आप देख रहे हो मेरा चैनल क्रीमीज किंगडम। तो आज है संडे और वो कहलाया जाता है फन डे। तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना कंपास बनाया जाए। तो पहले मैं उसका सैंपल दिखाया जाती हूँ, फिर मैं दिखाती हूँ कैसे कंपास को बनाते हैं। चलो। तो ये है मेरा प्यारा सा कंपास। इसमें लिखा है आई लव टू स्टडी। फिर यहाँ पे मैंने लेमन की पिक्चर्स बनाई हैं और इसमें हम लोग डाल सकते हैं सब कुछ। देखो, यहाँ पे वेलक्रोज है। अब मैं आपको खोल कर दिखा देती हूँ। यहाँ पे वेलक्रोज है अब, और यहाँ पे मैं कुछ भी डाल सकती हूँ और अंदर का व्यू अच्छा है, प्यारा है। मैं सब कुछ डाल ही देती हूँ। एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव दिस मनी स्टिकर ऑफ 2 rupees that I am going to show you later on. See, अरे यहाँ पे लिख कर हो गया। Okay. See guys, this is my cute compass, and as you can see, this is very cute. This is like this, and if you open it, I can have all the surprise that I wanted. See, now let me tell you how to make this cute mini compass. I use one cardboard for it, but let me show you in 5, 4, 3, 2, boom! We are here, and now let us tell you what supplies we need. So first we need any cover page like this. In the there is written Creamy wala third I now in 4th. Hi, how are you? I am fine. Actually I talk by myself only. So we are now going to paint this up. Okay, so first let me show you all the materials that I have to make one compass like this. Now as you can see, there is one foam here. There is some markers to make a face, markers only, and some crayons to use. So now let me show you how. So okay, I don't have any velcro, so let me show you how. From where did I get the velcros? Because today is Sunday, and Sunday is everything closed for that. Now let us show you the supplies. First is this, some cover page cardboard. Actually I am in now 5th, so I don't need 4th book. Then we need some whiteboard marker that I use for making eyes. One cellotape dispenser, one foam, and guys, this is the thing that I'm trying to show this. This is velcro, so I can use this velcro. I can take out this velcro. So we need kind of like 2. Then we need some markers and whiteboard, another Chinese markers. Then as per I was telling now, the crayons, we need some crayons. Ouch. Then we need some glue if the velcro is not sticking. Then one circular thing to make this circular, and I have this, but it will not but I was thinking I will do on this, but it will not happen. So, and one white art sheet. So let's get started. Now the first step, what we have to do, we have to take I have this candy called stone candy. So now let us eat one stone candy. Okay. Okay, now let us use this. So first we have to take the tape dispenser. And this wipe A4 size C. As you can see, that it should be this much only. If it's fine that it can show this, that is really fine. First you have to tape this. So let me tape in 1, 2 and boom! We did it in count of 3. And now as you can see that this is one cute shape. I have covered this up. Yahoo! Now let us take this. Step 2 is to take this candy and then just put it like this and just fold it. You have to fold it 3 to 4 times as it cannot get the shape of it. So first let me do that thing. Ouch. So we have did it, and now as you can see we have to take out this thing. We have taken out. No, we do not have to. Now we have to tape this thing up. The tape is stuck. Oh no, the tape is stuck right now. Literally, I'm just taking the tape. Okay. You have to do it one more time. So now let me fold this up and show you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Boom! We did it! Yahoo! So now let us take out this thing up. And we got the circular position. And now you have to press this button like this. This is the step 3. We have to press like this to make it like this. दोनों में फर्क क्या है? दोनों सेम है. Now and step 4, we don't have to put the velcro up right now. So this is the bottom part and this is the upper part. So we have to use some foam on it to click it and punch it up. So I have some foam here, like this foam, like this foam. Oh shoot, we broke this foam and I have to make another foam in 3, 2 and 1. I got another foam. And now we don't have to do like this, it will brew. Okay, we have to put like this. That's fine if the edges are seeing. First let us tape it here. We have to use little bit of tape to make it. See, like this or the other part of it. Between, from here also one between. So just move it away. So it's like this. Now first what you have to do is that this part we have to close. So the closing part will be happening. Okay. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Dun 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 dun. Okay, now let us close this thingy up. Huh? Yeah. Okay. My mom was going to buy some fruits. Mom is going to buy some fruits today for me only. Because I ate a fruit a lot. And we have done making the foam like this. Only we need some velcros. Now let me take a velcro in 3, 2, 1 and boom, we take out the 2 velcros. Woohoo! Now let us put it here on the base. Okay, so this is our base. Yeah, first done. Now about to the second. Now I'm going for the second one to go. Okay. And then we have completed. You can make any face you want. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.